So yeah, yes guys, so yeah, I'm just holding Bitcoin sales right there. As you can see, the balance is 1 rand. Yeah guys, some brokers, man. Some brokers are very, very good, man. Yeah, it's happening, you know. And this position is currently, you know, up 100 rand. So yeah, it's very nice, healthy. It's very healthy. So guys, if you remember, oh guys, if you know that I have 2 channels, right? I have a channel that's Traders Familiar, you know. So that channel, that's where I mostly analyze, you know. I mostly analyze there. Like I do market updates there, you know. I provide, if like you wanna, you know, I just do that on that channel. So here, this is where I trade my personal account, you know. Yeah. So look, yesterday I analyzed gold, guys. I analyzed gold, guys, you know, for the sales. And to be honest, I entered them. I entered those sales, bro. You know, entered those sales with a small account because I'm trying to just grow this account here, you know, as you can see. But then it wasn't like I've been growing it. You know, understand? I've been growing because of I took many positions here, you know. And again, if you can just look at that, it's a micro account, meaning that it's an account that I'm growing, you know. To be honest, this I like trading you know, this account, you know. To be honest, I don't really like trading big accounts, going to the big accounts just like that, man. I don't like doing that. I prefer just trading small, you know, flipping the account, you know. Taking the money out, flipping. That's how, because of whenever I get a big account, bruh, I mess up, bruh, I mess up, you know. So yeah, it's just, you know, easier. So what happened is yeah, I analyzed it here. So you can see there, guys. No, I can see it. I analyzed this pair, you know, but right now I'm just waiting for the retest. So yeah, so we took this trade yesterday, guys. Yesterday, you guys. You know, for those who watched, who came across the video, you know, who came across the video, but yeah, it was just a trade that we caught yesterday, man. You know. And I saw this move, I was like, no way, bro, I'm taking this trade, you understand? So that's what I did, guys. That's what I actually did, you know. I eventually took the trade because I had analyzed it, you know, and I was like, nah, bro, this one I'm taking it. So I was like, yeah. Why should we be doing this, my love? Hi, Bunkabilam. So yeah, guys. So I ended up taking the trade, guys, quite because I had analyzed the trade right there, you know. So yeah, I ended up taking the trade. So yeah, this is the trade, guys. So it's a micro account, nothing too much, nothing too hectic. It's just something just gonna look to swing this trade, you know. Yeah, just gonna look to swing this trade, bro. There's nothing much, to be honest. I won't lie, bro. There's nothing much. To be honest, there's nothing much that I'm gonna be doing on this, you know, account, you know. Rather than just watching the account, like watching the trade, how is it doing, just only that. That's what I'll be doing, you know, just watching the, you know, the market, how it's moving only. That's what I'm gonna be doing only. So right there, I just because for the way my experience with gold is very volatile. You see, right now I'm floating some profits. Bruh, let me just go somewhere and I come back. You see the price here. Hey, man. You ask yourself, fair to have. You see, that's gold. So what I've noticed is that if you see price has moved, man. You see, this is the 1 hour time frame. So price has moved some. It's a certain to a certain point. So yeah, why not lock those profits? So yeah, because of honestly, I'm not constantly looking at this. I'm not doing that. I don't like doing that. So I like to just enter and just let the trade do its thing. Just like that. So yeah. So yeah, same thing with here, man. I'm just gonna look to bruh. If the trade goes the way, yeah. But then if the trades just starts coming here, doing whatever, yeah, that's still another story, That's still another story. But then the main point here is that I'm just gonna let this trade go, man. There's nothing more. There's nothing I'm gonna do that. There's nothing, trust me, bruh. There's nothing I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna let this thing run. If it's gonna run. But then if it comes back again, it will be very, very, very nice. If price comes back again here, this zones to be very nice, because that's where we know that we will be entering ourselves now even harder. If price just doesn't comes here, that's where we know that we're gonna stack, because it will be indicating a retest for us. And if price just shows us something like a bearish engulfing, something like a pattern, if price reaches this point and stops, because obviously if price is gonna retest, it's gonna retest with some momentum. If then price arrives here and stalls, bruh, just get ready for sales. That's when you know that, okay, cool, that's why I'm gonna stack my cells. Nothing too hectic, nothing too complicated, just following price action. Again, as I'm saying this, if you actually heard what I said, I'm saying that if price comes here with momentum, meaning that if price comes here like very fast, and closes somewhere here, and it does not close, probably maybe above or something, or let's just say it just closes here, yeah, and after that that's going slow, just like let's just say here, here, it just doing those little candlesticks, you just gotta wait for a signal of a bearish, probably bearish engulfing, or a rejection here, some sort of like that. So you know that I could continue with the sales. But then if price comes, breaks, no, you don't want to do that. You just want to wait for price to tell you, to tell you what is it. Price action, it gets confused. So it's our job to make sure that we understand what's happening. It's our job to understand. That's what price action is all about, to understand the language. So even here you can clearly see that there is just something, man, that's so I won't be surprised if I see price going there, because I see it, that man, something here, even if price just continues going down, it's fine, it's still fine. But then here is leaving us with something, just gonna leave us with something. If price continues going to downside and it doesn't retest those areas, it will be just leaving us with something that, hey guys, yeah. But nonetheless, yeah, we took the trades yesterday. So yeah, if price comes here and respect this last support, trust me guys, still gonna enter more sales, guys. You understand? Yeah. But then if price indicates that it's gonna go to the upside, I'm not gonna even enter those ones, bruh. I'm not even gonna dare, bruh. You know, I'm just gonna let that slide. You know, yeah. But then, guys, yeah, that's all I had, guys. Man. That's all I had.